Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tina, and today I am unboxing my very first Notiq planner cover. I am so excited about this. I have been kind of like drooling over these planner covers for I don't even know how long. So I am really excited about this. All right, so this is the box it came in right here. I have not opened it. All I did was just cut the tape part. So it does come with her like seal here, her Notiq branding, and let's open it up. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I don't know, there's just something about like really pretty packaging and you know exactly what I'm talking about. All right, so I'm guessing that this is an invoice, so I'm going to get rid of that because of course it has my personal info on here. All right, so it has, oh my gosh, look at this. Stop, look at the packaging on here. Oh my goodness, this is really nice. Now, it's like I don't want to rip this. Okay, here we go. It looks like there is a personal little note in here, and oh my goodness, let's see. How sweet is this? I love packaging. All right, so I will read this later, but ooh, that's really nice. Very sweet. So there's a little freebie in here. I like it. And then we've got a card here, the mission. Find your path, make your mark. And this is from Vivian. All right, let's put all that to the side. All right, so the one that I got is the vegan Saffiano in the Rosebud color. It is ringless and it's going to fit my mini size happy planner. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, I really hate ripping paper, but there we go. Oh, okay, it's so pretty. It's like it's only the bag and it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. All right, let me get rid of this box. Okay, so it comes in this really nice bag. If you've never seen Notiq before, that way you see exactly how it comes. Really nice little bag. I like that. Ooh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. I love the way it feels. It feels really nice. It has the little emblem on here. It is gold hardware. So let's open this up. And here's all of the packaging. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. I love it. Look at it, like opens all the way up, and I am in love with this. Just wanted to get in a little bit closer. It's so pretty. It's really soft. It's like, it's soft, but it's not, I don't know how to explain it. It's just, it's very nice, but it's definitely like sturdy, if that makes sense. It's sturdy, but soft. So we've got this like little scalloped type of pocket here. And then there's card holders here. Let's see how far down these go. Okay, so they just hold, let's see. So that's like kind of like a card here. And yeah, it just kind of holds a card in there. This goes a little bit further all the way to the bottom. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 card slots. Let's see if they're all the same. Yeah, they're all the same depth. Yeah. And then of course we have the Notiq logo on there. And then there is a pocket in here. Really nice. All right, so on this side, we've got some more pockets. Let's see how deep these go. I'm gonna just use this card. And yeah, it goes pretty far down. And that one is not as far. Those are about the same. And then there's this secretarial flap. And then of course we have the pocket here. And then there is a pen loop, and the pen loop is like right where the clasp is. So let's see, oh my gosh, let's look at the back. Oh, it's really, really pretty. It's really, really pretty. The stitching on here is very, very nice. I am really excited. All right, let's go ahead and I'm gonna grab my planner. Now here is my planner, and it's the mini, and I'm gonna slide this right in here. Now this mini that I have classic size discs on here. So it is a little bit chunkier. Generally the minis come on smaller discs, but it was, like I said, it's kind of a chunky planner, and I needed something that was going to fit. Look at that. I am so excited. There's room in here. Look at that. Wow. Wow. This is really, really pretty. Oh my goodness. I'm really, really happy with this. This is just really beautiful. Let me grab a pen. All right, so I grabbed one of my Villa Beautiful pens, and I'm gonna open this up. Oh my gosh. And let's see. So the pen loop is definitely like a generous size. I generally don't have a thicker pen than this. They're usually about this size. So let's see. It sort of has to stop there. And yeah, and that's how that looks. And you could definitely fit a bigger pen in here because there is some room here. Let me show you from this angle here. There is definitely some wiggle room in here, so if you use a larger pen, that would fit in here also. I really don't have any larger pens that I use. I do like this one, but I don't think it's any larger. It's just like a little bit shorter actually. So that's really nice. It's just, you know, it's not as pretty of a pen, but it still definitely works really nicely. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. I bet you could fit, look at that. I bet you could fit like, wow. You could fit even like if you wanted to like put a pen on in the front here, that would totally work. Wow, this is so pretty. I am so excited about this. And I wasn't quite sure if I wanted to keep these discs on here or not, because I thought I might switch them out to these because that's really pretty too. That looks really pretty with the planner, but this hardware is very gold, so I don't know. I just might keep the what I have on here. But yeah, that is something to decide. So there's like all kinds of room in here. I love this. You've got room to, you know, like throw some paper in here, you know, anything. You've got the pocket here. I am so excited. Oh, this is beautiful. This is exactly what I wanted. I am really, really happy. I'm gonna take this little plastic off, and yeah, so exciting, really. Really, really excited about this. All right, well, this is the Notiq. It's the vegan Saffiano agenda cover. It is ringless, and this is the mini size in the Rosebud color. They do have other colors available, and of course, different styles as far as like different textures, and they do have quite a few different sizes. So I will link her shop down below. That way you can go ahead and take a look for yourself. And I just am really, really happy with this. I know I haven't like used it yet, but it's just, I love the way it feels. It's like sturdy, but yet it's flexible. I love the fact that when you open it up, it lays flat. It's just very elegant looking. I am really, really happy about this. My mini happy planner is my on the go, and I have needed a cover for it. And this is just perfect. Like, this fits in here comfortably. I've got room to actually add some things in here if I need to. And I'm just so excited about this. I'm really, really happy. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments down below. I will try to answer them to the best of my ability. Let me know, have you purchased a Notiq planner cover? I would love to know how you like it. I'm sure that you love it. I've only heard amazing things about their covers, and I am so excited to have one of my very own right now. So I'm just really excited. Thank you so much for joining me in today's unboxing, and please remember to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. That way you will be notified when my videos come out. I do post on Saturday evenings, but if I get additional items in and I want to share them with you, you will get additional videos throughout the week, depending on what is going on. It's kind of a busy time right now. Lots of new items are being released, and I do like to film them and share them with you as soon as I possibly can. Also, if you are on Instagram, be sure to follow me at It's a Wonderful Plan. You will see things there that you do not always see here on my YouTube. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time. Bye.